God knows what day it is, Wednesday morning. I'm trying a couple of things here with this GPS instructions. The instructions are clear in the headset, but when you come to listen to the recording on the video, it obviously cuts off the intercom and anything else that's going on to play the GPS recordings, but the static and the noise of the wind on the recording is absolutely horrendous. So I've got to cut that part of the video out every time I edit it. But I've tried a few different options here. Unpaired the GPS with a headset and repaired it. There's a microphone on the front of this. So what I've done is I've turned the volume down, because that's used as a phone microphone if you're using that as a hands-free. So I've turned that right down to 0 to see if that helps. If not, I'm sure there's a little external microphone on these center cameras underneath, because there's a little tiny hole just in front of the SD card slot. And if that's an external microphone, when that cuts off all the other connections to the communications, that might make this microphone live, and if it is, that's where that horrendous wind noise is coming from. But anyhow, I've got a few different options I need to try, so we'll sort of crack on if I can. And I might have to do this again now. I thought you might have. Well, it's just come on there. Please try to highlight with you. So that should have dampened the audio on the center recording to the video. But even when I was stood still, and that was happening, although there was no wind noise, the volume seemed to jump right up on the recording, if you understand what I mean, and the sound of the bite was really quite loud. So well, it's a little 14-mile circular route, so we'll crack on. God, this bloody visor is scruffy. I should have cleaned it. Oh. As soon as you shut your visor, you can nick everywhere. Right, we're going to crack on. Oh, I forgot about these new mirrors and all. Flipping that being set. So. Right, we'll try it at that. I'm going to have to open the visor because I can't flipping breathe. Right, we're on. Probably not here anymore directions until we get to the junction of the I'm going to do it with using this GPS, and then I'm going to try to do the same chip on the Calimoto app through the mobile phone and see what difference that makes on the recording, if any. Woo. That car was there yesterday as well. Oh, but I don't know what he's doing with it. They're doing some thinning out and what have you up there, so he's probably working up there. That's why that car was parked there. It's sunny this morning. I hope the sun stays out, because we've had bits of rain over the past few days. Well, quite a bit of rain. The grass is long again and it needs another cut, so hopefully we've got to crack on with that and get that put as well. But we'll see how it goes, because it's weather forecast for rain again this afternoon, so we'll see. And the mirrors are quite good actually. The left one's way past the might need a bit more adjustment on that right one, like. Actually it could come a bit closer. It can come a bit, you know, it might. I think it's a bit closer in on the handlebar than it is actually that right one, like. I think it's because of the trying to look at it like God knows why that's right now. Might have to move it in a bit like, but I wouldn't have think too much like because of the space for the hand guards and the left mirrors. We were took them on the Himalayan. Nah, it's a great little bike. I was big to smile to it for something sure. I think that maybe I've only put the Bob Head Kevlar shirt on top of a black hoodie this morning, like, and it's quite drafty actually. Should have put the coat on. Motorcyclists. Motorcyclists. It's always very noisy in this helmet on this bike anyway, because there's no protection, because that windscreen isn't protected very much. So. That's a much wider one, that's fine. That's fine. I mean the switch left hand grip, the switch controls is a wider control than what's on the right one, that's why the mirror bracket looks closer to the switch. That's what I was just thinking about before, it might be moving along a bit, but it doesn't. It's actually the difference in the width of the switch unit. Pretty good anyway, I mean, maybe it's just tweaking a bit. Well, that's kind of strange, because no, that's the turn off. Got the Finnish flag there on the turn off, I don't know why. Two birdies there, having a bit bargy. Directions there through the headset. So that's where the part where the volume and the wind noise will be sky high on the video recording. Obviously you don't get the voice off the GPS on there, but the channel it switches to, wow, flashy, yeah. I'm going to do this run with this using the GPS, the Garmin Zumo, and then I'm going to switch across to the Kalimoto app on the mobile phone and try it that way and see if there's any difference on the audio there. And if they're both the same, well, I think it's probably either a setting inside the headset, which I could turn on auto multitasking, that might help, or I need to block that little microphone off that's on the bottom of the center unit itself. Or I've got the idea apart from that. Round out the burn and then back up, and then do it all again. No Kalimoto. Postman Pat in front. Have you got me stuff, son? I'm waiting for some stuff. Have you got me stuff? It's the wrong post. I'm gonna make that thing. Whatever. Great little bridge, just you can't see a flipping thing. But at least he's in front of us, so he'll stop out coming. There's a river right there. What a burn on the left hand side. Should be open again there, mate, because get customers inside, yeah. Oh, got piping gone on there. Lovely jubbly. Lovely. What am I doing? Penny. It's just the way I've got it set up on the what you be calling thingy Bob. Early language again. On the route planner. Oh boy, yeah, big boat there. That's Paddy Windy Road. Well, looking right into the window, I thought it was before, but I can feel a bit of a headwind there actually. Very much, but a little bit. You're going to have to watch it, guys. I'm sure good at that. I remember I'm sure good at it, but we got spat on one time over there. Well, wee bugs. Landed on the penny windmill, farm with it, whatever you want to call it, windmill. Oh, I see what's happening. It's in the end, is where the 696 rejoins the 68. I don't know how I done that. I think I put the end right there. That's probably why it's only said 14 miles. It's more like 29, 22 miles from the other miles than over 14 miles. windy city. Flipping legs are tingling. Not that the cold out, they're just tingling. But I've only got a pair of jeans on. I haven't put the leather pants on. Jeans on. But I should have put them on, like. Hello, Chester. There'll be no more instructions, come to think of it. Because that trip will be finished today. But I just set it to take us home now, like to see if we get any more instructions on it. Get past the truck and then we've got a crack that in front. And the bus. go right inside the house, of course. It's just what I know it doesn't go on the video, but it should just dampen everything in the video, but it doesn't. It's just a racket of wind noise right here. And I cannot work it out how that's happening.